What happens when those sworn to protect become the ones pulling the trigger? And worse, what if no one stops them? Extra-judicial killings, a term that should chill us, and yet in parts of Pakistan, especially Punjab, it's disturbingly familiar. Today, we're diving into a crisis that is not just about rogue officers or bad apples, but about a deeply broken system that's normalizing murder under the guise of justice. 4 lawyers recently filed a joint public interest petition in the Lahore High Court. Their demand is accountability of Punjab's Crime Control Department, CCD, and the enforcement of a law many have likely never heard of, the Custodial Death Prevention and Punishment Act 2022. The petition names the Punjab government, Punjab Police, the CCD, the FIA, and even the federal government. According to media reports, 1,100 lives have been lost in the so-called police encounters just this year. The Human Rights Commission of Pakistan counted 500 encounters in Punjab alone, with over 670 people killed. So what exactly are these encounters? They're often staged shooting with little to no evidence, no trial, no legal process. And these encounters reveal something uncomfortable: an implicit admission by state that the justice system is not working. Rather than reforming it, the system is bypassed entirely. Due process skipped. Investigation optional. The Constitution ignored. This is not just about criminal suspects. It's about who gets to decide who lives and who dies. And the courts are not involved in this whole process. Names like Naqibullah Mahsood and Shahnawaz Kambahar remind us that these are not just statics. These were lives, individuals, people whose deaths were staged to look legitimate. According to the Human Rights Commission of Pakistan, 5,000 such encounters took place in Sindh and Punjab in 2024 alone. That is not enforcement. That is execution. There's a dangerous culture that's taken root. A culture that lionizes encounter specialists. Names like Rao Anwar, Chaudhry Aslam, and Abid Boxer are remembered not for justice, but for body counts. And behind this is a judiciary bogged down by delay, a police force riddled with corruption, and a public left with little hope for safety, let alone justice. It is tempting to believe that tough measures are necessary. But history shows us this. Illegal shortcuts never reduce crime. They just shift the violence behind closed doors. And worse, they erode our collective humanity. In a civilized society, the law must be sacred, even when it's difficult to uphold. Extrajudicial killings are not just a failure of law enforcement, they're a collapse of faith in justice itself. And that is why this recent petition matters. Not just for the lawyers involved, but for every citizen who still believes that accountability starts with those who wear the badge.